Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me guide you on how to bet on sports and make money. Betting on sports can be an exciting way to potentially earn money, but it requires knowledge, strategy, and discipline. Let's start discussing on how you can bet on sports effectively. First is to understand the basic of sports betting. Familiarize yourself with common betting types, including money line bets, betting on the outright winner, point spread, betting on the margin of victory, and totals, over or under, bets, wagering on the total points scored in a game. Second, choose a reputable sportsbook. Select a trustworthy sportsbook that operates legally in your region. Popular platforms include DraftKings, FanDuel, Betway, and OneXBet. Make sure to read reviews and understand their terms and conditions, especially regarding bonuses and promotions. Third is to research and analyze. Gather information about the teams or players involved in the event you want to bet on. Analyze stats, recent performances, injuries, and historical data. Knowledge of the sport and current conditions can give you an edge. Fourth is to manage your bankroll. Set a budget for your betting activities and stick to it. This involves deciding how much you're willing to wager and not exceeding that amount. It's advisable to use only a small percentage of your bankroll on a single bet. Fifth is to shop for the best odds. Different sportsbook may offer varying odds for the same event. Line shopping can maximize your potential returns, so it's worth comparing odds across multiple platforms before placing your bets. Six is to consider different betting strategies. Value betting. Look for bets where the odds are higher than the actual probability of the outcome occurring. This requires a good understanding of probability and odds. Betting against public opinion. Often, betting markets are influenced by public sentiment. If you can identify situations where the public is misjudging or a team player, you might find value. Seventh is to stay disciplined. Avoid emotional betting or chasing losses. Stick to your strategy. Lastly is to review and learn. After placing bets, review your outcomes to learn from your successes and mistakes. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.